Welcome on the channel Affirmation Rules with Universe. Today we will understand the meaning of Om pronouncing and what are the benefits to do the meditation of Om chanting. In Sanskrit, the word Om is formed from a combination of three letters A, U and M. Om is considered a symbol of the entire universe. Many experts say that the voice is considered to be the first sound. Om is also called the voice of the universe because the natural sound that was before the universe came into existence was the echo of the voice. The word Om is used before chanting many mantras. In Sanskrit, as we already saw, that it is a combination of three letters A, U and Ma. So, positive energy is developed by chanting of Om. What? Many experts says that the voice is considered to be the first sound. Why is the chanting of the altars? There are many physical benefits from its chanting. The voice is not only a sacred sound but also a symbol of infinite power. It is said by that chanting the high, the seekers achieve their purpose. The body gets many benefits from its chanting. Method of chanting the Om. Expert says that before chanting the Om, keep its meaning and its importance in mind. It is important to take care of God before chanting the altar. Sit first on the pedestal. Keep the spine, neck and head very straight while chanting the altar. Close your eyes while chanting and start speaking loudly while exhaling deeply. You can repeat this chant 2 or more times. Pronounce Om 5,71,021 times according to your time. It is necessary to know about the medicine before treatment. Actually, 4 words are formed by mixing the letter A, U and M, in which A means to be born, U means to rise and fly, therefore growth, and M means to become silent, that is, to become Brahmaleen. You also feel its effect on the mental level. The benefits on your body is like digestion. So Om's power is not limited to curing mental diseases only. It has a powerful positive effect on internal troubles, especially the digestive system, and maintains the digestive system smoothly. Second is sleep. If you are also troubled by the problem of not sleeping, then start pronouncing Om. In a short time, your mind will be calm and you will be able to sleep soundly without worry. Third is stress. For mental illness, chanting Om does wonders. After chanting Om continuously for some time, you will find that your tension has dissipated. Fourth, nervousness. The utterance of Om makes your mind and soul absolutely calm, which causes panic to go away on its own. Nervousness means distraction, and where there is a peace, distraction never lasts. Fifth is the thyroid issues. in any type of problem of thyroid gland, the pronunciation of Om is very beneficial. It produces vibrations in your voice and throat, which also have a positive effect on the thyroid gland. Blood circulation. Yeah, the pronunciation of Om corrects your blood circulation and maintains balance. This way, you do not have high and low blood pressure problems. And the seventh is freshness. Yes, eliminating laziness, the pronunciation of Om gives you freshness and infuses energy both mentally and physically. So, in this way, you can also be fit. 8th is fatigue. If you are feeling tired from any kind of work, then Om's pronunciation will work for you. Just close your eyes for a while and chant Om, and you will feel freedom from fatigue. And number 9, internal health. The vibration produced by pronouncing Om plays a very important role in keeping the internal organs of the body healthy. It also makes the spine strong and will be helpful for the nervous system to function smoothly. Number 10th, last but not the least, there are many more advantages which you will get from Om chanting. So the last is shortness of breath. Chanting Om daily is very beneficial for people who are troubled by respiratory problems. This will make your lungs healthy and strong, and you too. So hope you will understand, you pronounce by yourself. So for few minutes, kindly sit, relax, and listen this calm and peaceful Om chanting for few minutes. Be concentrate.